Hi everybody, it's Miss Love. I hope you've had a lovely week off and managed to enjoy the lovely sunny weather. This week I'm going to be helping you with your maths and we're going to be thinking about partitioning numbers into tens and ones. But first, let's do our warm-up exercises and count in twos, fives and tens. So we're going to do counting a little bit different this week. We're going to count from different numbers. So first, let's count in twos all the way up to 50. Let's see what number we're going to start on. Oh, look, it's the number 14. Let's count from 14 all the way to 50. Are you ready? 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Are you ready? So the next one, we're going to count in fives to 100, starting from our secret number. Remember, when we count in fives, we take a step forward and then we jump up. Are you ready? So we're going to count from the number 55. You ready? So 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So the last ones we're going to count in tens. So we're going to count in tens from the number 30 and we're going to count all the way up to 100. You ready? So we're going to put our hands on our hips and bend our knees. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That was easy. Do you think we could go backwards and stop on 30? Are you ready? 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. Stop! Well done.
Super, you did a great job with your counting there. Now today I have 2 games that you can play to practice your partitioning. We're going to be using the part whole model again to split a number up into 2 parts. This is what we call partitioning. You're going to need some objects, so I'm going to use pencils for my tens and treats for my ones. I'll also be writing my numbers on some pieces of paper. Let's get our first number. Oh look, it's the number 15. We now have to represent both parts of this number, the tens and the ones. We're going to put the tens on the left. So look, there's 1 10. So I will put 1 pencil down. So that's 10. Then on the other part, we'll put how many ones there are. So I can see that there's 5 ones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the number 15, there is 1 10 and 5 ones. Let's try another one. Thank you, Belle. Oh, look, it's the number 30. With an adult at home, tell them how many tens 30 has. Then tell them how many ones 30 has. Okay, let's now try and count all together. Let's start with the tens. 10, 20, 30. So 30 has 3 tens. Oh look, how many ones does it have? 0. That's right, we don't need any ones, just 3 tens. Let's try one more. Oh look, it's the number 47. Have a think about how many tens it has and how many ones. Shall we try all together? Let's count the tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40. So it has 4 tens. Now let's count the ones. So remember, we're counting on from 40. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So now we can see that 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones. Okay, now that you've tried game 1, you could also try game 2. You're going to partition again, but this time you have to see how many different ways you can partition the same number. Oh, thank you, Belle. Oh, look, it's the number 46. So again, the first thing we're going to do is partition the number into tens and ones. So let's count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So there's 4 tens. Let's now count on with the ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. So we've partitioned them into tens and ones. We could write this down as an addition sentence. So we have split them into tens and ones. So our addition sentence would say 40 add 6 equals 46. Then we could move one of the tens to the other part to change the numbers. So now we have 10, 20, 30. So 30 add 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 30 add 16 is still the same as 46. Let's try another one. So now we have 10, 20. So 20 add 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 20 add 26 equals 46. Have a go at home and see how many different ways you can partition one number. Remember, you can also log on to Numbots to practice your number bonds and to practice partitioning numbers. The leaderboards are starting to get really busy and me and Miss Allen can see how hard you are working. Remember, if you want to share your maths with us or you want your Numbots password, email me and Miss Allen at onehomework@newbie.bradford.sch.uk.